The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Remove the two clips that secure the glove box door by its hinges. Pull the two clips towards the middle with your fingers or use a pair of pliers. Pry off the glove box assembly. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the housing cover. While pulling the dampener cord down, partially close the glove box to re-engage the stoppers and then reinstall the dampening cord. Once the glove box is aligned, reinstall the two securing clips by threading them through and pushing until secure.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.